Hi everyone, we're going to find a power series representation for the function and determine the interval of convergence. So basically our goal is to write our function in the form of 1 divided by 1 minus r, and if it's convergent it has to be less than 1, or r, absolute value of r has to be less than 1. So we're going to use this equation to help us out and write our sum like this. So I want to rewrite this to look more like this one. So we're going to change that up and write f of x equals, and it looks like everything's the same except the numerator. So I'm going to factor out a 1 plus x and write this times 1 divided by 1 minus x. All right. So I can simplify this using our summation notation as 1 plus x times the summation of x to the power of n. This is from n equals 0 to infinity. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 1 and the x. So this is going to equal, when I distribute the 1, we're going to get the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of x to the power of n, plus, now I'm going to multiply the x times x to the nth. So that's going to be the sum, n equals 0 to infinity of x to the power of n plus 1. All right. So when you, if you want to simplify this, let me erase this part right here. Okay, there you have it. So what I can do is to make these two the same, I can rewrite this as equaling 1 plus, because we just have the 1, the sum of n equals 1 to infinity x to the power of n, since this would be our first term, plus the sum of n equals 1 to infinity of the power of x times x to the power of n. So we have two of these, so this equals 1 plus 2 times the sum of n equals 1 to infinity of x to the power of n. Since we have this form, this is going to converge when absolute value of x is less than 1. So we're just looking at this piece here, and let's look at that. We're going to get the absolute value of x is less than 1, because it looks just like this one except for the first term is gone. So that means our r equals 1, our radius of convergence, and our interval of convergence by definition, this is x is less than -1. It's greater than -1, but less than 1. Or you can write it as -1 to 1. All right. You could have done it this way. You could have written this as what we did before, f of x equals 1 plus x times 1 divided by 1 minus x. Now, we already know what this is, so what we could have done is taken this 1 plus x times 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus ... Writing this out. So when you multiply this by 1, you're going to get 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus ... And then when you multiply the x, you're going to get plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the 4th plus ... And this would give you equals 1 plus 2x plus 2x squared plus 2x cubed plus dot dot dot, and this is going to equal 1 plus 2 times the sum of n equals 1 to infinity of x to the power of n. So this was another option to do. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.